We had a 37-year-old bus driver come in today for a consultation with me. He was sitting right in his chair, and he said that over the past 10 months, since he's been developing this low back and leg pain, he's seen 2 different chiropractors and physical therapists. And he saw us treating all of the same locations where he has pain up on our Instagram. And he said, oh man, that's what I really need. Before I get a bunch of chiropractors and physical therapists messaging us, I'm not saying that there aren't a lot of you who are getting really good relief for your patients. But what I am saying is that if you're getting temporary relief for your patients and it's not getting permanent relief, maybe you should just consider discharging them. So he was obviously frustrated that he wasn't getting his tissues treated properly. And so we had a brief conversation, and I said, do you understand what a diagnosis is? And he's like, yeah, of course. That's what the problems are that's going on leading to your pain. And I said, okay, good. So imagine that there's a best possible treatment, a golden hammer for each one of those individual problems as part of your diagnosis. What do you think happens when you have the correct diagnosis and you have the best possible treatments for your diagnosis? And he thought about it for a few seconds, and he said, your pain gets better. And I said, yes, exactly. And it's a real shame that so many of our patients, again, we only see patients who have been to at least 3 other doctors or therapists. It's a shame that people aren't getting the proper diagnosis. And if they're not getting the proper diagnosis, there's no way in hell they're getting the treatment that they need to get permanent relief. So I explained to him with the sciatic nerve, tibial nerve, common peroneal nerve symptoms he's having, that those nerves need to be treated from their low back into the butt cheek, into the hamstring, into the calf, in the shin, to check all of those locations. If we don't check all of those locations, there's no chance in hell that you're going to get the permanent relief you deserve. And so then he went back to his current chiropractor that he's seeing, and he said, what about this adhesion stuff? And they're like, I don't know what that is. And I said, I know. That's why Barefoot Rehab is the only clinic in New Jersey certified to find and fix adhesion, because most of our patients and most of their doctors and therapists have never heard of this adhesion stuff before. So Barefoot Rehab exists to help people get permanent pain relief. And we do that first by diagnosing people completely and comprehensively so that we know what's going on. And then we specialize in the adhesion release portion of that diagnosis to help people get the results and the healthcare and get out of pain, because that's what patients deserve. So I hope that you're getting the care that you deserve. And if not, you can just DM us and see if you're a good candidate for permanent relief in our office. Have a good day.